What is up, guys? My name is Ari here, and in this video we're going to be having a look at Arbitrum because we could see a massive breakout is on the rise. Now, of course, before I get in with the video, guys, I just want to say I'm sorry that I've been MIA, missing in action, for the past few days. I have been sick, I've had the flu, and of course I'm feeling a little bit clogged up right now, but I'm feeling 100 times better, so I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry I haven't been making content for you guys. I will be coming back and making content for you guys right here. Starting off with Arbitrum, all the Cadena veracity videos will be coming on slowly. It was a good time to take a break also because the whole market has been dumping and correcting, but right now, guys, things are looking pretty good, even though it's not looking the best. But we could see right now that the whole market is looking in the middle. We got Caspa is up 10.2% right here. We got DYM up 51%. But of course, in this video we're going to be having a look at Arbitrum, and can we see Arbitrum coming back to a $2.40 region. Now we could see right here Arbitrum, this correction was very healthy in my opinion on the daily time frame after essentially going parabolic. Now there's a few things I want to talk about. The number one thing is, of course, this downtrend right here. We could see Arbitrum did enter this downtrend, which is looking pretty good, and did essentially close above this downtrend, which is looking pretty bullish. Now we know historically every time we close above a resistance, we usually end up going to the upside. Now another thing that I want to talk about is this resistance. Arbitrum has been holding the support pretty well right here, which is looking pretty good. So if you're someone like me, you know that this is a good time to accumulate. I even took a long on Arbitrum. Of course, if you guys are in my Telegram, and you know my Telegram below, you guys can see this is my trading journal. I take all my trades right here. I took my Solana trades, my Bitcoin trades, everything else is in here. So if you guys are pretty much interested in joining my channel, feel free to essentially go on the link in the description below, and you could essentially go to my Telegram channel. Now you guys can see right here Arbitrum, we got a few bounce off support right here, followed by a breakout off resistance. If Arbitrum manages to continue to the upside on the daily time frame and not close below this yellow line on the daily time frame, we should see a massive swing to the upside. Now remember, there's still 8 hours and 41 minutes left until the daily candle closes, so we're gonna have to see if we could see a closure, or not a closure, but a very aggressive breakout from here. Now if we have a look at the volume, something that I do like and have a look at, we can see that the volume did increase a little bit, but we are still seeing a decrease in volume. So I would like to see a higher amount of volume, a bigger amount of volume, larger volume on this breakout. Of course, it would really complement the breakout. If we have a look at the stock RSI as well, the stock RSI are looking pretty good. So we know historically every time we are oversold or overbought on the stochastic RSI, we will see essentially the charts coming back down. So we could see right here we did have a bearish divergence, as you guys can see. And of course, what does a bearish divergence mean? It means we're most likely going to come back down. It's obviously bearish, and things are looking pretty good right now. So we did have this nice little oversold region right here. So if you guys know and have been watching my video, you know that every time we are oversold, which was the ultimate bottom right here, as you guys can see, you probably would have bought. You would be like, oh my god, we are oversold right here, boom, and guess what, you would have been up 30%. So it's very important to essentially look at these candles right here. And of course, this resistance right here did complement, or support right here did complement this area right here. So this area right here was a bounce off this resistance. This is where a lot of the volume was, the volume profile, the VPVR. It was around this area right here. It seems like we did found a new support, which is looking pretty good in my opinion. And of course, guys, I mean, I know a lot of you guys do like the fib retracement, so I could have a look at that right here. If we do have a look at the Fibonacci retracement, we could see right now that we did come back and retest a 3812 or the 382 level, and that's about it. I would like to see it go above to as high as 618, which is the golden ratio. If we do see it go above that, we should see a massive rebound. But you guys can see right here that if I take it all the way to the bottom, sitting at $1.54, you guys can see right here that there's a lot of support at the 236 right here, the Fibonacci retracement right now, which is looking pretty good. I could even bring this and make it exact right here, so you guys can see right here this is an exact support right here, followed by an exact resistance right here sitting at 382. We got another rejection at 0.5, and pretty much that's about it. Now the golden ratio right here is probably the most important. It's where we have this dead cat bouncer right here. Let me take it off right here, sitting at $2. So not only is the golden ratio, or the golden pocket, I guess you could say, sitting at $2, it's also sitting at this dead cat bouncer right here, or this very aggressive rejection where we went to the upside, came back down, and then popped to the upside. And of course we have this nice little support slash resistance, and that's about it. So I would like to see it break above it. If we see a breakout not only above this right here, the thing that I was talking about, but above this green line, which is the golden pocket, we should see a massive move, and we should see Arbitrum turn into a new leg or bull market, essentially for ARB. So the crypto bubble is looking pretty good, guys. Overall, Arbitrum's looking fantastic. The market cap is sitting at $2.3 billion. 24-hour traded volume is sitting at $385 million despite the correction. Things are looking pretty good. The TVL is fantastic on Arbitrum, guys. I think Arbitrum's going to be massive in the next bull market. It's going to be one of the biggest layer 2s in my opinion. Of course, it's not financial advice, but this is obviously what I think. And that's about it. So that is my video, guys, on ARB Arbitrum. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you